Hello, I'm Paul Harrison, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Destination Dispatch Simulator to communicate with the kiosks on your Agile demo kit. I do want to mention that your screen, depending on your operating system, laptop or tablet, may look slightly different and the menus may be slightly different, but overall the features should be the same. So the first thing you want to do is look for this network icon in the bottom right hand corner and then click on the Open Network Sharing Center link. From there it should pop open this screen, which should then show you a link on the left called Change Adapter Settings. Click that and then you'll get this window. From here you'll have the option, depending on your connections and settings, different things here. Look for the one that's connected to the Ethernet port, local area connection or local area connection 2, depending on how your computer is set up. Whichever one's the live connection on the Ethernet port, double click that link. From here it's going to pop open a new dialog box. You're going to want to select Properties, and then you're going to look for the item called Internet Protocol version 4. Double click that link and now you get to the final pop-up box. Here you'll want to select the option called Use the following IP address. Once you do that, enter the IP address 192.168.0.58. Hit Tab and then that will pre-fill the subnet mask for you of 255 all the way across and 0 at the end. The default gateway should be left blank. Once you do that, you'll now be ready to hit OK. Again, and close. If this is your first time using Destination Dispatch Simulator, then you're going to have to allow it to have access through the firewall. To do so, we'll start by using the Windows button in the bottom left. In order to do that, I'll close this down and then go to the Windows button in the bottom left-hand corner. The way I like to do it is type in the word allow, and you should get the option to select allow a program through the firewall. Click that option and then it brings up this dialog box. Now you may need to select the change settings icon in the top right hand corner. Mine's already selected, so I don't have to do that, but you may have to. Then I go to the list, I click on the top item and then start typing the word destination. It's going to filter the list straight to that item. Mine happens to be selected already because I've been using it, but yours will need to be selected. So make sure all the boxes all the way across have a check mark in the boxes so that you know that it can communicate through the firewall. Once you do that, hit OK. The next thing I want to do is open the DD simulator. I can do so by clicking on the icon, double click it. It will then open this dialog box. Select Kiosk Demonstration Mode Ethernet and hit Next. From here, I want to find the IP address that we manually entered in previously. You can see it's right here, so I'll double click this line. That will then enable the program to start to communicate to the kiosk, or it will get it ready to communicate. Center this up. So you can see that I have the option here to enable group. That's really the only thing I have to do. I have other options within this program. It really simulates the elevator controller, so I can do special access codes and simulate those. You can enable different destination modes, ET, ETD, ETA, change the fire service. But the one thing that I really just need to focus on doing, it's very simple, is hit the enable group button. Once I do that, you'll see that I'm able to activate the kiosks so that they operate in destination mode. As you can see here, elevator A and floor 5, I'm going to use elevator B. So it simulates a real kiosk and gets you functioning so you can give that demonstration of destination controls in conjunction with Design Center. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm Paul Harrison. Bye-bye.